right, now we're ready to actually start using our Google Sheets. It's important to note that this is Excel, right? It probably looks, if you've ever used Excel, it looks familiar. Another thing that is important is if you click on any of these cells, you can look up here to see what their function is that they used. The reason why I say that's important because hopefully you don't mess anything up, but if you did and you only messed up one formula, you could go back and reopen the original Google Sheets, because remember this one you had to go and make a copy. So this is a copy, why you don't see the view only anymore. And then you could just change that one cell. All right, so the 5-number summary. If you remember in your reading, did you read? Is that this consists of a minimum value, quartile 1, median, which is that middle, quartile 3, and then a maximum. Well, if you look over here, those values are here. So all I have to do is type in these numbers. Unfortunately, they didn't put it all in one column, so I could just copy and paste. You can kind of be lazy like me. I can copy this and then I paste. Notice this is in the wrong place, so I just highlight it and I cut it and I paste. So I'm just, a little lazy, and I just find a way to copy and paste this data. Otherwise, you just manually type in your values right here. All right, so if you notice right away, it tells me what my minimum is. It tells me what quartile 1 is. It tells me my median. You see where I'm getting these values from over here? It tells me my quartile 3. And then finally, it tells me my maximum. And so that quickly, Google Sheets will do the work for you. It's going to take, you're going to notice these tabs here at the bottom are going to be for different questions, different topics on the material in our course. But you will see if you use this, it will be a lot faster than trying to do these videos, trying to do these calculations by hand. So nicely, we have set this up for you that it will do the calculations. You're going to see the hard part of this course, once you start to learn Google Sheets, is then actually interpreting your results. So have fun and ask any questions. You can always ask me, hey, is there a way to do this in Google Sheets? And I'll either say, yep, and I can make a video, or I'll say, no, sorry, that's one you have to do by hand.